How to reset audio on Pioneer 4K Xumo TV. Easy sound fix guide. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Press the settings button on your remote control. Alternatively, you can press and hold the voice control button and say Settings to open the menu. Step 2. Navigate to Audio Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Picture and Sound. Select Audio Settings. Step 3. Reset Audio Settings. Look for an option labeled Reset Audio Settings or similar. Select this option to restore the audio settings to their default configuration. Step 4. Adjust audio output format if needed. If you were using external audio devices like soundbars or home theater systems, ensure the audio output is set to PCM. Navigate to Digital Audio Output and select PCM. Step 5. Reboot the TV after resetting the audio settings. It's a good idea to reboot your TV. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the power source, wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on.